What's going on YouTube? You are watching Idle Gadgets, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress themes and plugins. And guys, in the last video I showed you how you can download WordPress premium themes and premium plugins for free or at some price. And in this video I will show you how you can install those themes and plugins. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to download the WordPress theme and the plugin. As you can see, I have already downloaded. And then open your browser and then search for Total Scan. And guys, Total Scan is a website which allow you to scan your files online, small files online. And if you want to scan the big files, so you will need more time, but it is recommended to scan small files on the virustotal.com. So guys, click on the choose file button. And guys, it is recommended to scan your theme or plugins before uploading onto your WordPress site, because if your theme or plugins have any virus, it can crash your site. So guys, browse where you downloaded your theme and plugin and scan both of these, as I am scanning. And guys, as you can see, no virus detected. If there will be any virus, you will be alerted with the red color or the red color tags. And now in the same way, scan the other file. Now I will scan my Mart-free theme. Mart-free is a premium WordPress theme, the e-commerce theme, and Dukan is a pro e-commerce plugin of WordPress. And now again, as you can see, there is no virus and I can upload these two files on my site without any risk. Now guys, go to your WordPress dashboard. And guys, now you have to give your details and then login. And guys, for uploading the theme or installing the theme, hover over on the appearance section and then click on theme and click on add new. And then guys, click on upload theme and choose the file. Now browse where you downloaded your theme here and double click on it and click on install now. And guys, your upload will take about 1 to 2 minutes. And guys, during the upload to WordPress sometimes give you error, your file exceed the increased size. So that means your increased size is less than you are uploading files. So which files you are uploading. So guys, if you want to increase the upload size of your WordPress, you can check the link in the description or the I button at the top. Now guys, your theme has been uploaded and now it is installing. And now click on activate. Now guys, your theme has been activated, and as you can see, there are 2 or 4 more theme here I have. So if these themes are useless, so you can delete it, as I am deleting my themes. So you can delete the useless themes like this. And guys, now go to the WordPress site, the main site. And guys, as you can see, my Mart-free theme has been activated and there is no any demo content because I haven't imported. So guys, now I will show you how you can upload or install the WordPress plugin. So to upload or install the plugin, hover over on the plugin section and then click on add new. Now guys, click on the upload plugin and click on choose file and then browse where you downloaded your plugin and double click on it, then click on install now. Then guys, here download will take about 50 seconds or the 40 seconds because the size of the plugin is less than the theme. And guys, if you want to increase the upload size of your WordPress, or if the WordPress is giving you error again and again, so you can watch my video, in the link is in the description. So now the plugin has been uploaded and now it is installing, and now click on activate plugin. And guys, now your plugin has been activated. And guys, that's all about the installing the theme and plugin on your WordPress. And guys, if you have any query about WordPress, so you can comment down below and I will upload the video soon at this topic. And guys, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more cool videos like this.